Hey guys, my name is Dr. Aurora and this is Lunissa, 8 years old.
Hi.
So she came almost 3 months ago. Sleep apnea issues, airway issues. She was moving a lot in bed, grinding her teeth at night, waking up tired, daytime sleepiness. Okay, so we started her with a healthy start appliance. So what do you feel now?
Fine.
Fine. She has a much better sleep. Wake up fresh in the morning, and there is no daytime sleepiness. Okay, and we started her with Invisalign. So this is her Invisalign. So in the daytime she will wear the Invisalign, and nighttime she will wear the Healthy Start. Invisalign will make the teeth straight. Healthy Start will solve her airway issues. That will stop her mouth breathing, and that will train her tongue to rest on the palate. Okay. Do you want to say something? You like it? You sleep much better now? Okay, nice. Thank you.